know, one of the wonderful things that you have in Excel is the help feature. So, right now you have me.
That's right. You mean you're not going to stay with me all the time and help me get
sure.
my work done?
Oh, sure. We're best buds now. Yeah. So, but there's going to be times when I'm not there and you can't reach me by phone because I'm not answering. And so you want to go and look up where the information is. Now, one of the things we've already looked at is the tell me what you want to do in the ribbon. If you recall, you can go in and type the feature you're looking for, the function you're looking for, and it'll tell you where it is on the ribbon.
Yeah, I like that.
We also have help features, which are in Backstage View.
Okay.
Of course, we go to File, and we're in the Backstage View. And over in the top right corner, we have the Microsoft Excel Help.
Okay.
Notice it also tells you the F1 key will access help. So you don't have to come here to do it. You can just do the F1 key. But I'm going to press on Help. And what we get is the Excel 2016 Help window. I have a search box. And then you have some commonly used features that might show up. They sometimes are guessing at what you might want. But let's go in and say, split information between cells. And then just click on the magnifying glass. And Excel is going to go out there and look for information related to what we've typed in. So we wanted to know how to split text into different cells, it turns out, and there's that topic. Okay. And we can click on it. It's just a hyperlink. And here's the information. You can scroll down. It gives you suggestions of other areas to go look if you want to, and you can read through the information.
Okay, so it gives me step-by-step instructions on how to do this. It
definitely does. The other thing is if we've decided, hey, that's not the one I wanted, up above the search box you have the back button, and you can go back and look at other topics that may be there.
Okay.
Also, if you wanted to just go back to the beginning, there's the home button. It looks like a house.
Yeah.
And it takes me right back to home, and it gives you some top categories. So worksheet basics, that's kind of where we are right now. And you could go into there and see how to do specific things with worksheets.
Okay.
You also have a printer icon. So if you wanted to print a topic, you could click on print and send that to your printer, and you would have a hard copy then.
Okay.
You also can print to PDF if you have that option on your computer. So help is very simple. It's in your Backstage View.
Okay.
If you need to access it and you don't want to go to Backstage View, you can also press the F1 key.
All right, that seems pretty simple, and I'm glad it's there in case I need it.
That's right.